Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your FUJITSU Celsius laptop. You should begin by selecting the region. Of course, if your laptop isn't yet turned on, press on the power button, which is above the keyboard, and if it doesn't turn on, plug it into power. Then click on yes, and select the keyboard layout if it wasn't selected correctly. Now, if you want to add a second one, click on add layout. I'm gonna skip that. Now it'll ask me to connect to network, and although you can technically click on I don't have internet, I'm gonna just connect it because it'll install a few updates during the process, and I want to do that now. So let's click on that. Now click on next, and yes, it has found some updates, so I'm gonna get back to you shortly. Your laptop may restart if it also is updating here, and just don't click on anything, it'll go automatically to the further step. Okay, now this step is just basically select most probably the personal use if you're the owner of the device, and now you can add your Microsoft account. You can also click on offline account, but I'm gonna log in since I actually need to be logged in for my own reasons. And I also, I guess, recommend that, but feel free to choose whatever you like because it's your choice. And if you select the offline account, then you'll have to create a name for your user account, then password, and I highly recommend creating one because it makes your laptop more secure. And also later on you'll have free security questions to set up, and they will be needed in the future if you forget the password to your laptop, so I'd highly recommend actually answering them truthfully so you don't forget the answers to those questions. And now let's click on create pin. If you actually were doing it with the Microsoft account, I'm gonna try again. Let's see if that works because I think it might have some issues. Yeah, it works. So I'm gonna create it. Now I'm gonna click on note. Now I don't want to bring my browsing data from my previous device. Then I highly recommend actually reviewing them on your own, these security questions, I mean privacy questions. Then clicking on next, and I'm gonna skip customizing the experience because it doesn't do anything besides customizing the advertisements. Now I'm also gonna click on no thanks when it asks me to connect my Android phone to the PC. I don't own one and I don't really care about that right now. You can do it later also, or do it now if you want to. I'm gonna skip the phone's photos backup because I have them backed up on my own phone. Then I'm gonna decline Microsoft 365 family and the basic one because they are both paid. Then click on next where it says that I can use Microsoft 365 for free. And I think there will be like the last question, or yeah. I'm gonna click on no thanks, I don't want to pay for that. Then I'm also gonna click on no now where it says Cortana, but feel free to accept it if you want to use Cortana. Now wait a moment until it finishes your account setup. It will not take too long, and I'm gonna get back to you shortly when that's finished. And now it's finished. So feel free to do whatever you like, but I highly recommend updating the system. So go to the settings, then go to update and security, then Windows update, check for updates, because there are some driver updates that are worth installing from the very beginning so everything works on your laptop properly. And there may be like lots of these updates at the beginning. Yeah, as you can see, and they will start downloading themselves, then they will install themselves, and some of them may prompt you to restart. So first wait until everything gets downloaded and installed, then restart using the restart button that will appear either here or just in start. There will be this power and there will be update and restart. So click on that and that'll restart your laptop, and all the updates will be applied and you'll be good to go. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.